Guys, happy early New Year's. New Year's is around the corner. I know you guys are planning your looks, because I know I am. In my office right now, I have the new Morphe New Year's collection. So excited. That's on my eyes right now. Look at these confetti lashes. I'm gonna play with them right now, so stay tuned because I'm about to start the new year right now. You guys, we're gonna go into making the ultimate New Year's look. Morphe came out with a new collection, the new Midnight Gleaming collection, you guys. It's gonna be all about glitz and glam and gleam from Morphe. Now, I actually really do love New Year's. We cannot step into New Year looking busted. I don't care if you guys are staying in or going out, you guys gotta look gorgeous. If I have to pick one palette, by far, I honestly feel like the palette of the year is gonna be Conspiracy. This palette was like literally to die for. The collaboration was legendary with Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star. This is just gonna be one of my collector's pieces that I love, that I'm gonna cherish in my office. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this new collection. So we have the new Morphe lip gloss. So this is called Midnight Kiss. The packaging is giving me very Great Gatsby vibes. It's very New Year's. This is giving me like, oh my god, gold is obviously the color. And I feel like gold is very appropriate for New Year's. What I know, my experience with Morphe lip gloss is that they're very sheer, but they do deliver the color that you see. Also, we have 4 brushes. These look stunning. These came with the PR, and these are brushes that I actually really do enjoy using. Y'all know I love these a lot to cut my crease. Another item that I got in the PR, now y'all know I love lashes. Now these are lashes I've never seen before. And these are premium lashes by Morphe, and these are called the Confetti Lash. As you guys can see here, we have some confetti. I'm very nervous to wear this. I feel like this particular lash is appropriate for New Year's. If you're doing like a very high bun, super bronzy skin, full-blown blood red lip, and then maybe some nice wing liner, I think that's gonna be a very stunning look. Last but not least, we have the 10M Midnight Gleaming palette. It has 10 shades that dazzle. Here is the palette itself. What I usually like to do, if you guys are that crafty and y'all really need to know the names, you can kind of like take it and glue it to the top. If you're like, oh my god, I want to wear invite only on my eye. The shades are very glitz. I don't see one speck of matte in here at all. You guys know I'm already scared as it is. Lots of shimmer freaks me out. But we're gonna go ahead and combine it with tons of little things here that I love to use. I think it's time to swatch. So I'm gonna swatch the colors that really stand out to me. I keep going towards Kiss Me, and Kiss Me is like this nice auburn color. So we're gonna go ahead and just take it and swatch. She's chunky. She's chunky, but she's very glitzy. Now this is like super chunky glitter, so obviously it comes out like glitter. This color is called Invite Only. I feel like this is gonna be more like on the shimmer side, so this is gonna be more of like a shimmer color. I'm very curious to see this color. This one's called 12 O'Clock. This is gonna be a very soft shimmer as well. I can tell by the texture. Pretty. Let's go ahead and jump into the golden moment. Now this is gonna be a chunky glitter. That's pretty. I actually really want to see sparklers. So sparklers almost like that nice pretty champagne color. Very New Year's. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and dive into the black. Now this one's called Black Tie, and it's black tie. So pretty. I kind of already see what I'm gonna do here. I'm actually very into the auburn, like that really pretty auburn glitter called Kiss Me. Very just like sexy and rich and very classic. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out some Laura Mercier primer. We're just gonna go ahead and just drip a little bit like that. I truly believe to having good foundations, you kind of have to have like some type of primer. I'm pretty much primed. So let's go ahead and get a highlight color underneath. And this is just gonna really cut that brow for you. And today we're gonna go ahead and do eyes first. I usually like to leave it just like that. And then I take my beauty blender and you just really blend it out. I'm actually very excited to get in drag with you guys today because for the past 3 videos, I've been a boy. I don't know, you guys are probably like, oh my god, I wanna see Kimora. She's coming. I usually like literally blend it until it looks super smooth. So now we have a full set highlight and your brows are feeling very snatched. I love this a lot. It looks almost like a flesh tone. Literally, whatever it touches, it literally adds like 10 years to that product. That just means it stays on. So if you're having like a long New Year's night, I would definitely suggest priming everything. You guys, in a few minutes, I will be going very hardcore in my eyeshadows, so please keep up. Literally all the colors is almost like that beige base. Let's go ahead and pull out the Morphe brush M167 and just get a light shadow and just literally highlight underneath. And as you're doing it, just make sure you're just covering it. It doesn't have to be so perfect. It's almost like a sketch. Now, the fun stuff begins. Today, you guys, we are gonna go ahead and use Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Now, this is the only Auburn maroon palette that I own, and I'm really gonna be focusing on this color here. This is color called Fresh Meat that I actually really do love to use as an Auburn color. And just take it and just really blend out. And as you're blending, you wanna make sure you blend outwards. We're creating this nice little crease moment. So we wanna keep like this nice shape, turning to the other side, and it's just really blending out. We wanna make sure the shape is almost like sisters, where they all kind of match. Once that is good, taking your P.LOUISE, this color is in Glow Girl. So taking the brush M224, and then now let's go ahead and color under the eye. Wow, that's so pretty. Go ahead and take that same color, and now let's go ahead and connect that eye up here. You see that connection where it connects to the eyeshadow? I actually really love this brush. Taking this brush, this is the Morphe M433. With nothing on it, we're gonna go back and we're just gonna blend it out, okay? As the product is still a little wet. Look at that. Now, let's go ahead and add one more color. There's a color in here called Prick, and it's a pretty orange. I'm gonna just lightly touch it with my brush, and we're gonna go ahead and create like a nice blending effect. And what that color does, it just kind of softens up the edges. It's gonna get more intense. This is just the beginning. I'm not even nearly done. Now, this is color Black Tie from the palette, and now just really blending it in. And this color has like really pretty gold specks in it, so it's not like boring black. Wow. Whew. Who do I think I am? That's actually stunning. Okay, you guys, I have my mom sitting here watching me, so that's why I keep looking over here. So she's just like, my son should have been a doctor. Doctors are boring. All they wear is skincare. Okay, so taking that same color, you guys, that black is so pretty. Milking it into the eye. And honestly, you guys, the blend is so pretty. Let's go ahead and just connect that. Wow. Okay, thank God I liked it. This definitely just changed up my whole look. This black is so easy to use because I'm not even really seeing fallout, which is good. I don't even know what to do with the Kiss Me. Oh my God, like I don't even know what to do. I should have used it. Do you think I should do gold now? Yeah. Should I do gold? Yeah. You guys, I just lost what I was doing. Okay, I wasn't supposed to put the black that much, but I was just so obsessed with it, I couldn't like stop using it. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and do gold on the lid, completely all over. Now, it's very important, you guys, when it comes with gold. I have a hard time doing gold because I think like I have like this picture of like gold, and when I put on the gold, it's not like gold. So I pulled out a Peel liquid eyeshadow, Huda Beauty Duo, and we're just gonna put one on, which I think stands out the most. And then honestly, after all this, I'm gonna put on the Morphe shadow, obviously, but I really need like a really good gold base. This is the Matte and Metal Melted Shadow. So let's go ahead and see what the gold one looks like, and I just pray to God that I love it. Oh wow. That's actually really pretty. Does that look gold? That looks gold. I'll take it. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. It's very thick, but I think it's gonna look really good with that shimmer. Let's just add more. Let's just layer it. Oh, okay, now that is gold. That's gold, look at that. I like the Peel because it's more like that yellow gold that I wanted. Wow, that is so pretty. Obviously, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now, let's go ahead and get some foundation on this face. I'm debating if I wanna go soft or really harsh on my contour. I feel like I kinda wanna go soft. And honestly, as I'm doing this, that liquid shadow is peeling hardcore. Like, what the fuck, Huda Beauty? Let's go ahead and get a beauty blender and let's set. So now you guys, we're just finishing blending everything out, making sure the foundation is evenly spread. Let's go ahead and get some highlight on, making sure you do the forehead, the nose. And then now taking that and blending it out. That thing is like cracking on me. Finishing up that highlight, you guys. As that gold is literally drying, it's a little cracky. So Huda Beauty, I don't know if it was that or it was the other one that I used, but it's definitely cracking, which I'm a little irritated about, but it's okay. We're gonna make sure we fix that. Let's not stress out while we're doing our skin. Keep telling yourself how beautiful you are. Everything is on, so let's go ahead and set that makeup. So once that is on, take a brush and let's just dust off all the extra. You guys know I do this every single time. Now, the question is, sometimes people ask me like, do you need that much? No, but it's always safe to be sorry. I don't know who's sitting there measuring their translucent powder. So we have the foundation, we have the eyes. The gold is cracking hardcore. I really truly think it's that Huda Beauty duo, because when I was putting it on, I can kind of tell it was like being off a little bit. It wasn't gliding on like I was so used to. It's not the end of the world, because we're gonna go back and we're gonna touch it up with some of the gold Morphe. This is the Stay Naked, the Fix. Now this is a 16-hour wear. 16 hours? Like, I don't know what people are doing for 16 hours. But if you are doing something for 16 hours and you need a gorgeous powder, definitely hit up Urban Decay. Take it and just kind of glide it on your cheeks. A lot of people really don't like to do a highlight powder like this, but because I am a man, I have to go a little extra on the makeup. Now, this is where everything ties together, is the bronzer. So let's go ahead and warm up my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and do half my face so you guys can see how warm I go. I like to take it into the hairline. So see the difference? It's more warmer here. It's not really too warm here. You guys, should I continue? Yes. And now just really making sure it's the same. Very into it. I love it. Okay, take a flat brush and just really contour that nose down. Usually I don't forget this if I start with my skin first, but because we did eyes first, I don't want to forget this part. And just pulling it underneath the nose here. Everything is warm. I'm in love with it. So let's go ahead and just set it with a little bit of Morphe Continuous Spray. This is from the holiday collection, and taking it and just really setting that face. This basically just kind of melts it into the skin. Every time I set my face, I absolutely know the difference. It just becomes really almost like skin. Let's go ahead and get back to the eyes. It's gold. It's really gold. I like it. Is it cracky? Yes. Is it the end of the world? No. Let's go ahead and see what we can do with the gold called Golden Moment. So this is the color here. It's like this gold chunky glitter. I actually really want to use it on my eyes. Now it does look very gold. I think I should do it wet. 9 out of 10 times when I do things wet, it stays perfect. So I'm pulling out a setting spray and just wetting my brush. And let's just cross our fingers. Okay, so see, I can definitely tell the difference. Can you tell? Oh, let's do it on the other side. You guys, I think it's as gold as I can get it to be. It's falling all over my face. Okay, there's a color in here called Countdown, which is like a really pearly shimmer color. Let's see what this looks like on. All right, I think it's as gold as I can get it to be. To make it really gold, I'm gonna use the gold lashes. I think Huda Beauty just fucked me over. Can you guys tell it's like cracky? I need to clear the air. Don't let anyone basic bother me. I think it's stunning, but you know what? I think what we need to do is we need to put the gold lashes on, because I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, bitch, put the gold lashes on. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so taking a liner. That's so pretty with the liner now. As that is drying, I really want to use like something super like shimmery. Let's go ahead and just put the champagne color. This is color called Sparklers, and let's just dab this in the inner corner. Oh wow, okay, that definitely changed everything. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with sparklers. I have never seen a color like that. Let's go ahead and deepen that bronzer. So now let's go ahead and just do a little highlight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the color Countdown, and let's just go to him, just lightly highlight. Okay, taking that same highlight. So far so good. Let's go ahead and pull out some a little bit of the trio from Urban Decay. It does kind of liven up the face a little bit. So now it is time. I'm a little scared. Let's go ahead and put the lashes on. So these are the premium lashes. These lashes are called Confetti. It has specks of confetti in it. Oh my god, they look so like festive. I'm scared. As you guys can see here, there's like little confetti, little like foil, like golden foil. Let's just see what it does. Oh my god. Wow, that's a lash. I just want to see. Actually, they're not that bad. Oh. I don't mind it. I actually am really into it. Now that's a party we're going to. Festive. Let's pull some glue and let's see this lash on. Taking this. All right, you guys. So here it goes. Golden lash. Oh, wow. I actually don't mind it. It's actually kind of pretty. So same thing on the other side, you guys. Now, lashes are on. It's little gold, but I actually can see a lot and I'm actually not really minding it. I think it's because when it was against the white in the packaging, you can tell like there was a lot of gold, but when it's on, it's actually really pretty. All right, so as that sits, let's go ahead and line the lips and get ready for that gloss. Actually, this does look like a very festive look. This is the Midnight Kiss gloss. It's super sheer, super nude, so go ahead and grab a nude that you love, 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 and this is just gonna be like a really, really pretty like add-on to that lip combo that you're gonna do. Taking my favorite color, Jealousy, and just applying it on the lips. This color you can literally wear like by itself. Okay, I love this lip color with it. That color is Jealousy. You can get this at a Morphe store. It's in the liquid lips. I love this color, so let's go ahead and finally see what the lip gloss looks like. Now this is the Midnight Kiss. Yeah, it's just gonna make it kind of glossier. It has like gold specks in it. That's pretty hard. All right, you guys, last but not least, let's go ahead and just put a little bit mascara. Voila, you guys, we finished the look. Let's go ahead and observe and see what I like. It's definitely gold, and I think the lashes add a lot to it. I actually think the lashes make it really festive, and I think because of the New Year's, it's appropriate. So let's just go ahead and see what the wig looks like on. OMG, super obsessed with it. I actually really, you know what I'm digging right now? I'm actually really digging my skin. I'm just kidding. These lashes are like absolutely something I've never worn before, and I'm actually very digging it. I think it definitely completed the eye. Hold on, I want to talk about the gold drama. Next time I wear this palette, I'm definitely going to not use the Huda Beauty and all the other golds that I use and just actually see how it looks, because I think it's probably going to be stunning with just like a normal eye base. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I'm super into it, super ready to party the night away, and I hope you guys are getting ready for the New Year's, because honey, I better see some looks. Go ahead and tag me on your guys' selfies so I can check it out. I'm ready to start the new year. So many things are coming up, but you guys, in the meantime, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I want to see you guys in a few days. Should I do more looks like this? Because I'm actually kind of into it, the confetti lashes. I can't stop looking at it. I love you guys a lot.